everyone, how's it going? This is RuVik Education and we'll be beginning from this page. You can see two people confused. They're having question marks. Why are they confused? They are like, in English, we use things like, what is that? And for people, we use, who is that? So, do we have this difference in German as well? Or do we say the same thing for everything? So, yes, there is this difference for people or person we use where, like, who is that? Like we learned in the starting of the chapter. In Sache is things. New word added to the vocabulary. Sache is things. Sachen actually. So, things. With Sache or Sachen, we use was. Was means what. Was means what. Where means who. Okay, so there's this little difference. Both of these are question words. Was is what, where is who. Remember. So we'll take a look at few examples so that this settles down in our minds. So where is das? Who is that? Das ist Herr Singh. Herr is Mr. Where is das? Das ist Paul. Who is that? That is Paul. Where is das? Das ist Frau Elizabeth Newman. Basically, that is Miss Elizabeth Newman. Who is that? That is Miss Elizabeth Newman. Okay, next we have Zaken. This was with people or person. Okay, so we used who. The answer structure will be same. Little bit difference. You can also add a kind of article, you can say, because you don't really use it with people, right? You won't say that is a Mr. Singh, right? But you can say, yeah, that is a book. So that's one little change, but nothing else other than that. The question will change. Was ist das? What is that? Das ist ein Buch. That is a book. Book is das. So with das, we use ein. If you didn't understand this, please watch the lessons on the previous chapter. Was ist das? What is that? Das ist eine Tasche. Tasche is bag. It's die Tasche, so eine. Was ist das? Das ist ein Tisch. Tisch is table. It's their Tisch over here, so there turns into ein. Yeah, so we now came to know with people we use where, with Zakin we use was. And yeah, as we move ahead, we can see a little fill in the table over here. Where oder was? Personen, which means persons, and Zakin, which means things. So with Personen, the question will be where is das? With Zakin, the question will be was is das? Simply what we have learned right now. And here we can see a picture, so we have to tell also the answer. So the answer is simple. Here we can see a teacher, she's teaching something, and this is a female teacher, so we can say das is dash. We just learnt it. Lehrerin. One question that might come into your mind is that in English, but we use that is a teacher. Yeah, so we can use the same in German, but we're not telling any name here, right? Since you're not telling any name, we can use a and the, right? Next, you have Zakin. We can see a bus. Schulbus. You know what? This is homework for you. Try to do this and answer in the comments below. Next, we have fill in the blanks where oder was. A few examples they have given over here. Where is das? Who is that? Das ist Alka. And for Zakin, was is das? Das ist dein Tisch. So one method I'll tell you how to solve this exercise or when it comes in your exams. You will first of all, here there will be blanks given. This already the answer is written here. I'll just remove that so that I can provide an example. Yeah, so we have, you will see this like this question. There is one dash here, one dash here. How do you know it's a thing or person? You will see this, Herr Wilson. You see Herr, you know Herr is Mr. And Wilson. Wilson is a name. So simply over here, you know they're talking about a person. Where will come. And the rest is same. Das ist simple. Here what you see. Peter, person. Where? Das ist Peter. Next you see ein Ball. Ball, it's a thing. So we'll use was. Right? Das ist ein Ball. Eine Uhr, it's a thing. So was, we'll use was, right? So was is das. Das ist eine Uhr. Uhr is clock. Watch. Frau Gupta. Frau is Miss or Mrs. Gupta. So we will use where. Ein Stuhl. Right? So what is it? Was. With Zaken we use was. Zaken is things. Ein Bleistift pencil, we'll use was because it's a thing. Ein Buch, book is a thing again. So we'll use was. Didn't we just do book? No, that was bad. Okay. Frau Müller, Frau Müller, this is a person. So we'll use where. This part is very simple. Das ist. Very simple. You just need to check whether this is was or where. Look at this. Ein Bild picture. It's a thing. So was. Eine Lampe thing. So was. Thomas. I cannot see what's written over here. Dear. Yeah. So this will be where. It's a person. Thomas is a name. Okay. So as you move ahead, we can see the next page, which is read the dialogue with your partner, which is read the dialogues with your partner. This is a partner Übung like we did last time exercise, but it's fine, you can do it by yourself. So now they're giving you a picture and they're asking you a question. Ist das Herr Gurvinder Singh? Is that Herr Gurvinder Singh? They're like confirming, right? First they're asking who is that? Now they're trying to recognize. So they're saying, is that Herr Gurvinder Singh? Then you see, is this Herr Gurvinder Singh? No, this is not Herr Gurvinder Singh. So what will you say? Nine. Nine means no. What will you say next? You will say das ist nicht Herr Gurvinder Singh. Who is he then? He is das ist Herr Wilson or ist Herr Wilson if you're very sure he's a boy. So is das Herr Gurvinder Singh? Nein, das ist nicht. Nicht means not. He is not Herr Gurvinder Singh. Das ist Herr Wilson. Next, take a look at this picture. Is this a auto? Auto is car. Do you see a car over here? No, you see a cupboard. A cupboard is called Schrank, right? So you'll say nein, das ist kein Auto. Das ist ein Schrank. So one thing that we learned in the previous chapter, we did a whole exercise on it with kein und keine. Kein and keine. What did they mean? They simply meant not right. So why are we using nicht over here and why are we using kein over here? Both mean not, but we use kein or keine for Sachen, which is things, and we use nicht for people or person. So with where, which is for personen, if it is not, then we use nicht, and for Sachen, which is things, if it is not thing that they're asking for, we use kein or keine if it is feminine or plural. So in this case, it's similar. Ist das ein Auto? Nein, das ist kein Auto. Das ist ein Schrank. Moving ahead, we have ist das Alka? Is that Alka? Nein, das ist nicht because this is a person. Alka, das ist Frau Gupta. Ist das eine Uhr? That is not a Uhr. Now, one more word we are adding to our vocabulary. This is a calculator. So, calculator is called Taschenrechner. Ein. Right? So, nein, das ist keine Uhr. Repeat. Das ist ein Taschenrechner. Okay. Moving ahead. Two more. Ist das Frau Desai? Nein, das ist nicht because this is a person. Frau Desai, das ist Frau Sheikh. Ist das ein Computer? Nein, das ist kein Computer. Kein because it's with things. Das ist ein Fernseher. This is a TV, not a computer. Okay, now we move ahead and we see this. With people, which is Personen, we use nicht. With Zakin, we use kein or kind of, kind for masculine and neutral, and kind of for feminine. So there's this little exercise that they have given us, which we'll be doing in the next class. So that's it for this video. See you all next time, and bye.